Yo, what's up? We will try to install Wine on nixOS and let's hope it works without problems, or at least we can solve the problems immediately. So we go to the configuration like usual, scroll down and let's add here this thing. We need to make sure that the syntax is correct, otherwise we will keep getting errors later. So as the wiki of Nix says, there are options. We either install in Wine with the support for 32 and 64 bits, or only for 32, or only for 64 bits. So in our case, I'm gonna choose the one that has 32 and 64 bits. For you, if you wanted only 32 bits, you take this one. If you wanted only 64 bits, you take this one. Okay? If you want Wine staging, which can be good sometimes for some games, since some of the people use Wine to play some Windows games on Linux, they may need to use this line here. We will install Wine tricks, and let's try to install it with Wayland support also, although some of the desktop environments that I have installed here don't have the support for Wayland. So we'll take this one for the support of 32 and 64 bits, copy it and paste it here, enter. I'm not sure if the syntax is correct. We'll install Wine tricks, copy and paste here. I don't recommend people to rely a lot on Wine because it has some issues. If you want to play the games of Windows correctly without any problem, with the least problems, because there will always be problems, you better use Windows. Alright, let's hope there is nothing wrong here. Save, exit, and we run the command that will rebuild the system. Yeah, so there is an issue in the syntax. Oh, so we can simply put it right here. Yes. So no need for us to repeat. Take this. Cut it. Oh no. Let's take it. There is this one here. We take it. Copy it and go up, because there is one like that up. Let's find it first. Yes, so this one here, we add those variables or lines here. I don't know if the indentation matters. Alright, so this one also, we delete it all. We don't need it anymore since we have one that's ready. All we have to do is to add the lines of wine to it. Save and exit. Try to run the command again. It looks like it's running fine, so I will be back to you soon. Alright, so the installation of wine for me is done. I have here Pinball, so I have this one right here, which is Wine Windows Program Loader. When you right click and go to open with, you select it. This is the plain pinball that you find with Windows XP and the others, and you can see that Wine is working already here. Sometimes Wine is not the best option. You may need to install VirtualBox or something else to run Windows apps better. So here it wants to install Wine Mono. Let's install it. Same thing for you, you better install it. And after some time it's gonna work. It's done downloading Mono. I guess Mono is similar to .NET or something. There is that framework that is required for some applications to run on Windows, which is .NET framework, I guess. I guess Mono is similar to it for Wine. I'm not sure. If I'm wrong, don't hesitate to correct me. So you can see that Pinball is running. This is Windows Pinball, and it's running. There is no sound because it's not configured to run. So as you can see, it running. Alright, so that was the way you install Wine on nixOS. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. It helps me a lot and I really need it. Thanks for watching and see you.